In this video, I'll show you how to check whether your iPhone is connected to a 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi Fi network. This can be useful when setting up smart home devices or troubleshooting Wi Fi connection issues. First, check the name of the Wi Fi network you're connected to. Some routers include the Wi Fi band in the network name. For example, you might see something like Home Wi Fi 2.4 or Home Wi Fi 5G. If that's the case, you'll immediately know which frequency your iPhone is using. If the network name doesn't show the Wi Fi band, there's another simple way to check. Start by downloading the Airport Utility app from the App Store. This is Apple's official network utility, and it lets you scan nearby Wi-Fi networks to view additional connection details. Once you've installed the app, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Apps, then select Airport Utility. Turn on the Wi-Fi scanner option, since it's disabled by default. Next, open the Airport Utility app and tap Wi-Fi Scan in the top right corner. Then tap Scan to search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. When the scan is complete, find your Wi-Fi network in the list and check its channel number. If the channel is between 1 and 11, your network is using the 2.4 GHz band. If the channel is 36 or higher, your network is using the 5 GHz band. And that's it. It's a quick and reliable way to check your Wi-Fi frequency without logging into your router settings. I hope this video helped. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.